What is going on, YouTube? Welcome to the stream. As you know, I have welcome, and as the title of this video suggests, yes, we had a crazy rally yesterday. Yes, I gave most of it back in the evening overnight session because I'm not disciplined, and we learned. We're trying to learn, and we're trying to move on. Um, Just little housekeeping things. I'm trying to, stream from a different software, because OBS crashes my computer. I'm currently in process of trying to invest into another computer, into a gaming laptop, so I can, have better quality streams and be able to have OBS Studio on there. Um, I'm trying to use Riverside, however, can't seem to find my, stream key and things like that. So, I'm on I'm on YouTube as of now. So I'm not gonna bother with anything else, but we're gonna try to make this work. If the quality is bad, then the quality is bad until I can, you know, trade well enough to get the new laptop. So, hello, bruv. Welcome, Christian. Welcome to the stream, my friend. And it is a lovely Tuesday. Um, I was just starting to tell everybody, aka you, how I lost most of my gains yesterday. I made a killing yesterday on the rally, and then I lost it all on the overnight session and the chop. And this is a lesson I know very well. Um, it's a lesson that I've had to learn multiple times. Um, the evening sessions and the overnight sessions are very low volatility. The volume is not great, and um, no follow through for any. So I had decided, my brilliant self decided to take a short eat last night, of this base right here, thinking that we were gonna like at least tag 39, which we didn't. Got stopped out overnight, and that was it. That was that was all she wrote. I did get into a trade before stream. I got into the reclaim of, well, not really the reclaim. I got in here like right before 50, 55, 50 reclaimed, but it paid out. Took my first level. It was just one contract, so I got in at 55.50, and I got in at 55.57 ish. Um, it looks like we may get a continuation move, so I actually got in again. I'm getting in right here. If this pulls back a little bit more, I'm probably gonna just get out. My threshold for risk today is not very good. Um, Again, the gains that I had made yesterday basically came all back. So I'm back to square one. I didn't blow any of the accounts, thankfully, but I'm still up on a few accounts. Like, I'm still up, but as far as progress that I've made, I've wiped out some of that progress, and so I want to just be careful and just make sure that I'm continuing to progress, but not digress. So, and of course, we're pulling back. No surprise. Chocolate should not have taken. And again, that's another thing. This trade too is a breakout trade, so I should not have done that either. But we'll see it. If we can stay above 52, 50, that's fine. So, how are you, my friend? How's that gold trade? How's that? You said you went long, right? I mean, we closed above 1552, which is good. I closed out just a few minutes ago. I don't really know how to calculate this, but I mean, nice job, my friend. Nice job, bro. So now you're positive, what, 205.50 cents? Because I know you're up 50 cents yesterday. So nice. Yeah, I'm hoping for a. I mean, it makes sense, right? Like we rallied yesterday, bull flag, potential continuation. My concern is that we've been doing this for the past couple weeks, so like eventually, eventually, one of these bull flags are gonna fail. So I don't want to get too hooked on the fact that people see when this rally really started. It all started back in October. And guess what it started with? It started with a failed break. I was thinking we did a better job. So yeah, all the money we paid and they would document it better. Yeah, that's why I screenshot all my trades from your notification. If you trade mobile, like from your notifications, I think I don't know where it is on the desktop version. Oh, it's right here, notifications log. So if you go to notifications log, you'll see all your trades. So I just screenshot that because again I'm trading mobile most of the time. So then at the end of the day, I just take those screenshots. I ledger my trades, like just write it all out, and then I go from there. And I keep like a hand journal. Like I don't do like an electronic journal like a lot of other people, which is fine. You can do it, but I find things better when you write them down. So yeah, see, look at what I'm talking about. So this is the downtrend from March to April, and then of course, May started and sell and May go away. We still kind of went up in May, just kind of money. And we didn't really start going down in May until like mid May. So then we made this full flag, rally back up, full flag, rally back up, full flag, rally back up, full flag. That's why I'm like, eh. But again, Adam says just ride the trend until it tells you otherwise. Ride the trend until it gives you a reason not to. That's why. Yeah, right. Can't wait for that day. The way I'm trading, I think it's gonna be very good. Do my best though. I'm like I am staying consistent. I would like to think. I'm taking base hits. I'm growing the accounts. So it's just tweaking things here and there, man. It's like my discipline and tweaking when to trade, when not to trade. So like I know now, don't trade an evening session. Don't trade on the Sunday open. Um, Trade small size after a rally, which today is. Don't take breakout trades. So these are my rules specifically. Um, actually, they say writing things down helps you. I don't know. It helps you follow things better. I don't know why, but I'm in green, so I have the association. So training rules. Number one, do not take breakout trades, which ironically is what I'm in right now. 2, do not trade the Sunday open. Number 3, do not trade the evening sessions. 4, wait on take the failed breakdown setup. Number 5, do not over trade. And I have like a list of sub rules within that, but the sub rules are like specifically with trade management. So you take the breakdown, you take it 3 to 5 points from the entry, you take the first or take the first contract off at the first level, you use the runner, trail the stop, all that stuff. This is more so like when not. That's basically it. Oh, and small size when trading post rally. All right. Just got the rules written down. Hopefully, I can mentally absorb that. I have a dumb question. Yes, go for it. There's no such thing as a dumb question. What do you look different? So I do. Do I need to set up stop loss and take profit when I make buy top position? You can do both. So you can set a stop loss and take profit right at the front, like right when you're entering the trade, or you could just hit the buy and sell button without a stop loss or take profit, and then you could add stop loss and take profit later. Um, when you are hitting the buy and sell button, there should be a box that pops up in TradingView. And it so here, let me show you. So let's say we hit the buy button right now, okay? Hit the buy button. I can hit buy right now. This is market order, okay? A market order, you're just buying at like whatever prices. Where can you add later? Okay, let's try this. So are you entering limit or market orders first off? Are you entering a market or limit orders, Christian? But anyway, that box doesn't come up for me when I hit one of those top left buttons immediately. Oh, then that may be something in your settings. I would go to your settings. Here, let's see. Yeah, go to this your icon at the top. Go to trading. So, general buy and sell. I think this right here, instant orders placement, make sure that's un so go to the gear icon at the top right, and then under trading, go to under click on trading, and then under general, it says instant orders placements. Make sure this is unchecked right here. That's probably why that's happening. If you're clicking the button and your order's getting filled automatically, I bet you this is checked. So uncheck that. Once you uncheck that and you click the button, the window should pop up. Anytime, my friend, anytime. For the record, I want everyone to know, everyone that's watching or will watch, this trade that I'm currently, the first trade was good. You guys didn't get to see it, unfortunately, but I basically got into a long at 55.50, got out at 55.57. Okay, great trade. Why? It was a reclaim of future levels. Theoretically, I should, if I'm following my rules to the T, I should have taken the entry at like 55.53 and then gotten out of 55.57. Okay, post rally chop. I don't want to get chopped up, and if I'm being extra cautious, that's how I should have played it. But I did. I sort of front ran it, and the reason I front ran it is because I saw a lot of momentum and like getting up against it. Well, first off, we reclaimed this 47 level. First off, because when we opened, we were below 47. We are like around 44 or 45. So when we reclaimed 57, I wanted to see the reaction, and of course, the reaction was strong. We kept going up. So right before we even got above 50, I decided to get in. That's just the risk I decided to take. It worked out, thankfully. Now the second trade, which is the one that you guys are seeing right now, I got in at 58. Okay, this is a no bueno because I am basically hoping for a continuation up. And at this point, I am I'm front running a breakout. That's what I'm doing. Am I happy about it? No. If this trade ends up being a winner, I'm not really going to be super stoked about it because I did something I shouldn't be doing. Number one, taking a breakout trade. Number two, front running stuff. Front running basically means like getting in before the supposed move happens and hoping that it happens. You should never do that. You should write that as seven nuts, runs, setups. Okay, it's good to keep track of the rules. It's good to be accountable because that's that's the only thing you have is to be accountable to yourself. Also, want to talk about my trade from yesterday evening too. So at the open or at the evening open yesterday, um, I had taken a long right here at the reclaim 52. I took that, got out at the reversal, and then I just waited. If I waited, I can't remember exactly what I did afterwards. But basically, I took a short right here. Like the market came down, I decided to take a short right here at around 48, hoping for a continuation lower to at least 39, which we never got. So I held this overnight. Overnight, I got stopped out, and we went from there. Looks like we're breaking ourselves back down. I really shouldn't have done into this trade. It was very, very short-sighted of me. It's what I'm hoping to see. And honestly, it really was foolish of me to even think of a short, given the context. Like, we're in essentially a parabolic rally up, straight up. Building a bull flag, there's no reason for me to have even been thinking about shorts. Okay? The only time you short is if the market is showing you it's weak, so it's showing you that it's breaking down. I.e., I should not have taken the short yesterday. What I should have done, if the market was going to provide a short opportunity, I should have waited for 39 to test, fill breakdown, base, accept whatever, and then sort of breakdown and then get it. But yeah, I'm not too upset about the long setup because it did play out like candle did close above the 52 level, so that was a valid long entry. Given that we just rallied, we had a little bit of a pullback. It tested, failed breakdown technically, and then reclaimed. So that was a solid entry. I can't get mad at that. But that short, I am kind of upset about. Should not have shorted. Just like this trade, I should not have taken this trade. This is a breakout trade, and if it works out, it's a miracle for me. And I will definitely need to be very, very cautious and careful from the outset of this. Will that mean I won't do it again? Maybe not, but at least hopefully maybe next time I can be a little bit more vigilant and like anticipate that I'm taking a breakout trade and maybe pass on it and just wait to see what price does. And in general, I want to stop trying to take continuation trades. Continuation trades mean I take the first trade as solid, and it's a winner. But then the move looks like it's going to keep going, and then I get it again. That's also where I get in trouble sometimes. So continuation trades down as well. Yeah. So far my rules are there's a lot of do nots on here. That's necessary. Number one, do not take breakout trades. Number two, do not trade the Sunday open. Number three, do not trade the evening sessions. Number four, wait on and take a fill breakout setup. And then there's obviously sub rules to that. That's what trade management goes. Five is do not overtrade. Six, size small when trading post rally. Seven, do not front run your setups. Front run your setups. Number eight, do not take continuation trades. So far, we have eight. Of course, we have trade management. I, I basically have that down. That's written down. Well, another thing too is that yesterday in Adam's newsletter, he said the ultra bull case. So you really have to pay attention to this. There's a lot of nuances in the newsletter, and there's a lot of nuances in trading. But if you can pay attention to those nuances, they can go a long way. So he said the ultra bull case would be that ES doesn't even test 39. So basically, we don't even test this level, which we didn't. And base below today's highs and above 39, which is what we did and what we are doing. So again, this provides more context that the environment is a tad overtly bullish. If Had I paid attention to that yesterday, I definitely would not have taken that. But it is giving me a little bit of hope for this current trade, the breakout trade, because if we are over bullish, maybe we can see a little bit more. At least I would probably be willing to even get out of break even at this point. But I mean, 52 is defending price. This zone is getting tested to the death, though. Hopefully that. Can't take it. We have our little special guest today. What do you think about this price action? Yeah, me too. On second thought, okay, so I know I said I'd probably try to get out break even if we get back up to 58, and I do want to, but if you're reading the chart, this is what I'm getting. So when we rallied yesterday, we rallied up, tapped 58, or we tapped a little bit above 58, so 61. Yeah, 61, and came back down. Uh, Tested 50 again, came back up to test around 58 again. Got I think the high was 55, 60, 50. Came back down, based all night. Came back up this morning, tested. What was the high? The high was 58, 75. And now back down. We seem, like I said, we seem to be holding this zone fairly nicely. So if we get back up here, yes, I would like to get out break even, or maybe in a little bit of profit, because this will have been the one, two, three, fourth test. And at that point, once a level tests that many times, it's more amenable to breaking through supplies being chewed up. So that's really the thing about markets, the thing about trading. It's like it's really a game of like buyers versus sellers, right? If there's more aggressive supply than demand, price is going to go down. If there is more aggressive demand versus supply, price is going to go up. Okay, so yeah, it does go back to supply and demand, support resistance. They're essentially the same. Supply and demand will really refer to the amount of orders or like like, how like what like yeah, supply and demand refer to like the orders that are available to move the market. Supply and demand are just the areas of where those orders are. So again, 58 or it looks like 58 to 60, we have some supply there. That's why price rejected off of the time, so we're basically below. But we're basing because this 52 or 50, sorry, this 42, 43 level was strong enough to support price. So there's a lot of demand down there that's keeping the price up. Hence why we've been basing. But now price is not going any lower than the 50, 52 area and is going back up the test, which means that there is a high probability that we break through the supply of 50. All right. Still chilling above 50-52. I don't know. I felt cold when I woke up, but Sorry, yes, I am muted. Yeah, so I decided to get out of that trade. We tested 50, we couldn't reclaim 52. We kept going lower. Although now it looks like we're reclaiming. So it was just better to get out of it. I mean, again, even where I had taken it, it was not an ideal place. Like again, it was like at the basically at the resistance of this full flag structure where you never it's not a good place to be. So I just got out. I'll get back in if we reclaim 52 again. We did get a nice liquidity grab lower, so we'll see. We'll see what this where this candle closes. We got 2 minutes. All right, you got 40 seconds, 39 seconds until this candle closes. If it closes above 52, may take the replay ball. Yeah, so we closed below 52, but above 50. So maybe we may just be chopping the rest of the day. Honestly, took enough losses for the day anyway. Gonna go make some breakfast real quick. So before we do that, so I'm taking the reclaim to 52, hoping to get a nice level to level push to 64. But we'll see. You know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and take two. This is gonna be, I hope, not I hope, but like it's shaping up to be a nice level to level. So I'm gonna take it. You see your edge, you gotta take it. Do not hesitate. And I'm gonna get rid of that so I can have a runner. There we go. Adjusting my stops. There we go. Pushing up. After a nice liquidity grab below. This is when these little demons come back on your shoulder and be like, "Oh, put another contract on, put another contract on, take some sides." And you just gotta ignore it. Gotta. All right, I'll be right back. Uh, things not looking good. Tough. 2 minutes and 30 seconds, but we'll see. But yeah, this is not working out well for me. It's okay. Just gotta learn and you gotta move on. Take it, learn from it, move on from it. Man, yeah, it's really working hard to get us out. Let's go ahead and close this out. There's no sense in taking that much of a loss. Just make sure now it's everywhere. Yeah, no. Let's see what the damage. Yeah, we damage it. We damage it. All right, at this point, I'm just gonna wait for a kill breakdown. I'm not gonna take any more of these reclaims. These levels are not reliable anymore, unfortunately. So, which makes sense. I mean, they've been tested to death, right? They've been tested a lot. So, we're just gonna wait for a nice build breakdown, the easy A plus setup, and go from there. And I mean, I think at this point we're gonna be overall down. It is what it is, but that's what I get for breaking my rules. Taking breakout trades, for trading in the evening session, for over trading. So you know, I'm not happy with the consequences, but I also should have thought of that before I broke my rules. So you live and you learn. The best thing we could do now is pick up the pieces and move on and try to be better than last time. That's the goal of trading. That's the goal of everything. You make mistakes, you take your L's, you learn from them, and you move on. So that's what I'm doing. Alright. So, yep, just like I suspected, we shall be waiting for a failed breakdown, ladies and gentlemen. There we go. Getting the flush. All right, guys. I think I'm gonna call it here. There's not much happening, so gonna get off. Gonna trade off the stream, but there's not much going on. So hope you guys have a good day, have a good week. Remember, tomorrow's a holiday, so it's probably gonna be low volatility. But yeah, and I'll catch you guys again soon.